In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom meeting link. Whether you're familiar with video conferencing or just getting started, these straightforward steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to sign into your Zoom account. If you don't have one yet, setting up an account is quick and easy on Zoom's website or through their app. Once you're signed in, you're ready to schedule your meeting. If you're using the Zoom web portal, you'll notice an option at the top right that says Schedule a Meeting. On the Zoom app, you'll see a button labeled New Meeting. Both are gateways to setting up your gathering, so choose the one that suits you best. After selecting your preferred option, you'll be directed to a page where you can enter the essential details for your meeting. Here is where you'll fill in the specifics. Start by entering the topic of your meeting. This could be anything from weekly team check-in to virtual birthday party. A clear topic helps participants know what to expect, so make it as descriptive as possible. Next, you'll need to determine the date and time your meeting will take place. Make sure to consider different time zones if you're inviting people from various locations, and double check your calendar to avoid any scheduling conflicts. Once you've nailed down the timing, it's important to set the duration of the meeting. This feature helps participants plan their schedules accordingly, especially if they have multiple commitments throughout the day. Moving on to security settings, you'll want to ensure your meeting is secure. You have options here. Consider including a passcode or enabling a waiting room. These features help protect your meeting from unauthorized access and ensure that only invited guests can join. Once you've completed all the fields, the next step is to save or schedule your meeting. If you're using the web portal, you'll hit Save, while on the app, you can click on Schedule. This action prompts Zoom to generate a meeting invitation instantly. This invitation will contain the all-important link that you'll share with your participants. At this stage, it's a good idea to take a moment to review the meeting invitation. Make sure all details are correct and nothing has been overlooked. This is also a good time to jot down the meeting link somewhere safe or copy it directly into an email if you plan to send it out immediately. Zoom meetings are incredibly convenient, and sharing this link is all it takes for your friends, colleagues, or family to join you at the scheduled time. And that's it. You've created a Zoom meeting link with ease, ready to be shared with your invitees. With these steps, you're now equipped to host your online meetings confidently and smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy Zooming!